both the icy hot and the armpits.
Oh, they're leaving because it's going to be packed. It's getting out.
When I hit the mailbox in Vern's new car. It's okay. It's just a car. Just the mailbox. Are you feeling better now? Well, she's not sweating anymore.
It looked like, I remember looking outside and it looked like a hurricane. I went back to sleep. I didn't know what was going on with it.
You know, be nice to each
I was just like, talking and everything. I looked at Marissa, she's outside.
That little one went across.
Oh, I see it.
There it goes. Roman Kendall. I like him, Roman Kendall.
They add a little pizzazz to it.
You were on the train doing it.
He's got 24 shots. Good. And it's gonna all stop, and as we're getting in our cars, it's gonna be like, psych, and it's gonna be all. Thank you, very good. Ow.
This is their DNA. The girls didn't like the boom boom.
There you go.
Ooh, that is so pretty.